Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, we are gonna talk about our account management service in Forex. So in this video, we are gonna discuss each and everything about our account management service. And one more thing is that today is 6th October 2024 and from today, these rules will be applied. So let's talk in details and let's discuss some frequently asked questions about our account management service. Before starting the video, let me show you the username of real channel. So this is my Telegram channel's username and this is my admin username. But there are a lot of scammers on social platforms and they are using my name and my profile pictures. So it will be better to join my Telegram channel by clicking the link. I will drop the link in the description of this video. So guys, I have write down some frequently asked questions and the question number 1 is, what is account management and how it works? It's a very basic question, but there are also some beginners on the channel and they want to know about it. So account management is a way or a process in which a client sends his account's login details to account manager and account manager trades on the client's account and they divides the earned profit. So you have to send me your login details and I will make profit for you, and when I will trade on my personal account, I will also trade on your account. But there are also some fake account managers on social platforms and they use big lots with high risk until your account get blown. So please do your own research before giving your account to anyone. The question number 2 is, what should be the minimum account size to start? So guys, the minimum account size to start is $500. This amount allows us to manage risk effectively while aiming for consistent profits. However, a larger account can provide more flexibility and opportunities for better returns. So if you have a real MT4 or MT5 account on any trusted broker with the minimum $500 deposit, you can join us. So the question number 3 is, what is expected daily profit? The expected daily profit target is between 5% to 10%. This means that on a $500 account, you can expect a daily profit of $25 to $50. Similarly, for a $5,000 account, the daily profit would be around $250 to $500. And for a $50,000 account, you can expect for a daily profit of $2,500 to $5,000. However, actual profits may vary depending on market conditions and trade opportunities. So the question number 4 is, what is profit share percentage? So guys, the profit share percentage is 50-50% from total earned profit. 50% will be your profit share and 50% will be mine profit share. So the question number 5 is, when will we share our profit, like weekly or daily? So guys, we will share our profit once we reach around 10% profit. Sometimes we may achieve this daily, while at other times it might take 1 or 2 days depending on market conditions and trading opportunities. The question number 6 is, how can I send you your profit share? So guys, you can send me my profit share using crypto wallets like Bitcoin or USDT TRC20, and you can also send using Skrill. Mostly my clients are using crypto wallets like Bitcoin and USDT to send me my profit share. So the question number 7 is there any chance to lose my money or account washout? Okay guys, let me clarify that account safety and following risk management are my top priorities. Our risk per entry is 1%, so I don't believe our account will face a washout or significant loss. There might be a little drawdown at times, but we will recover from it and share our next earned profit. Since all clients' accounts are linked to my personal account, I can't risk losing your trust and your hard-earned money. I will do my best to ensure what's best for us, so please feel assured. So the question number 8 is, how much risk will you take on one entry? So guys, I will take a risk of 1% per entry and our daily profit target will be between 5% to 10%. Your account will be linked to my personal master account, and this means that if I make 1% profit, you will also get a 1% profit on your account. Similarly, if I lose 1%, your account will also reflect 1% loss. While I will stick to the 1% risk per entry, I will have the authority to utilize full margin when necessary. Sometimes highly confirmed setups appears in the market that can lead to a good profit. In such cases, when multiple strategies confirm a trade, I may increase the risk slightly to take advantage of these opportunities. So guys, you don't need to worry about the profits. Your job is simply to focus on withdrawing them. Making profit is my job, and I will work hard to ensure we achieve that goal. So the question number 9 is, how do you manage all accounts with risk management? So guys, I manage all accounts by trading on my personal account, and all clients' accounts are linked to mine personal account using a premium trade copier which costs $15 per month. Client can choose to pay this fee either at the start or with their first withdrawal. The trade copier ensures that if I take a risk of 1% on my account, the same 1% risk will be applied to all linked accounts, adjusting the trade size based on each account's balance. For example, if my account size is $10,000 and the client's accounts vary in size, the trade copier automatically calculates the right lot size for each account to manage the risk properly. So the question number 10 is the last question, and the question is, I am already scammed by someone. How can I trust you? So guys, it's not easy to trust someone again, but let's talk about the scenario if you trust me. Number 1, this time your account will be traded by someone who is already a professional trader and doing the trade with calculated risk. Number 2, your account will be attached with my personal account and all accounts are linked with each other, and nobody will attach your account with his personal account, and most of other account managers do manual trading with high risk, and in the result account gets washed. And number 3, you can check the history and performance on our YouTube channel which will assure you about us, and then you will be able to trust us. So guys, if you are ready to join us, just send me a message on Telegram and send me your login details of MT4 or MT5 account so we can start. Hopefully you are understood now, and if you still have any other question, you can write it in my Telegram inbox. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.